A little while back, I signed up for a writing course just to see how other people were teaching story. The content wasn't great, but one thing they did stood out to me as remarkable and underutilized. They encouraged giving feedback to students about their projects. In trying to articulate points to a student with tact and clarity, I was also vocalizing for myself ways to improve my process. I want to share the same experience with learning designers who are interested in storytelling.
The courses are great, but this is exceptional. There's just a ton of value in being able to talk it through with you.
There are a lot of benefits to you in this cohort session. One is you get a finished story by the end of the week. It's done, and you can use it for any training application. Whether this is an email, a creative presentation, or keynote, ILT training, e-learning, you name it. We are there to help guide you so you have a finished story. You're going to have direct access to me and Austin. And if you've seen our work, you know the quality and the level of impact that it's had on employee engagement and performance. We're going to teach you the same secrets that we use. You'll get to see what other industry leaders are doing to creatively integrate stories into their learning programs. And finally, you get full access to our online course, which is $500 right off the bat. So immense savings and immense value in this. Even though this is a virtual event, we are intentionally limiting access because I want to give adequate attention to you and your project, but also allow time for questions about implementation. Logistics, how do you roll this out? What kind of evaluation tools exist for this? Qualitative, quantitative, what should I use? So please reserve your spot today because I want to make sure you got a slot. I can't wait to create amazing, compelling stories with you, and I'm excited to see how you use them in your training. Thank you.